Hi everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Jiangnan Glass Fiber. Changshu Jiangnan Glass Fiber was founded in 1956. Jiangnan Glass Fiber is one of the leading professional manufacturers and exporters of fiberglass composite and thermal-resistant materials in China. Our company's main products contain twist fiberglass yarn, e-glass fiber cloth, silica fiber cloth, C-glass industry fiber cloth, fire blankets, and so on. In order to keep up with the times, Jiangnan has adopted a global energy sustainable development plan, and our glass fiber use a large number of solar panels to provide sustainable and clean new energy for the company. Now I'm going to show you our workshop. Jiangnan adopts ERP and 6S management. We control the quality throughout the whole process to focus on every single detail. Now we can see here's our raw materials. Let's take a closer look at some more details. We can observe that this is a process of twisting and laminating continuous single-strand glass fiber through 3 twisting machines equipped with variable frequency unit controller. This is our beaming machine. Now we are weaving a certain number of warp yarns on the weaving shaft in parallel, according to the specified lengths and widths. There are our finished warp shafts. We store them for the next step of textile glass fiber cloth. These are our advanced high-speed rapier weaving machine. Now they are producing electrical fiberglass cloth, C-glass industry fiberglass cloth, textured fiberglass cloth, filter fiberglass cloth, and stainless steel fiberglass cloth. This is 2-meter width coating equipment. It ensures the leading supplier to the market with powerful output and guaranteeing quality. Let's take a closer look. What can we see up close right now is the process of polyurethane coating and cooling. Jiangnan produced 10 millimeters of fiberglass with silicone, PU, acrylic, EPDM coating. We can see these are our production line, and this is the process of soaking and coloring. This one is our vacuumizing and cleaners equipment. This area is used to store metal compactor, which is mainly used for soft connection. Now here is our fire blanket workshop. The worker is sewing the edge of the fire blanket with sewing machine. What the workers packing now are the household kitchen fire blankets. Meanwhile, according to the latest fire blanket standard, Jiangnan has its own fire test laboratory. Moreover, our production and quality control team has more than 30 years of development and research experience in fiberglass products. On my right side is electronic strength tester. It used to test tension stress. These are some of our other experimental equipments. Here are some of our international certificates. Now we are in our warehouse. Our products are widely used in wind power generation, smoke curtains, transportation, electricity, construction, and so on. Our partners are all over the world: American, Europe, Australia, Japan, the Middle East, and many other countries. Jiangnan will continue make efforts to be the leader with competition and proactivity in global industries. We are looking forward to cooperating with you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.